Hi, welcome to QR tutorial. So I am asking for every teacher to put a QR code on their Meet Their Teacher page this will be a QR code for ClassDojo, your web page, and Teams. With that, I'm going to show you how to get that QR. So here I am in my ClassDojo class. Here are my scholars. And I'm going to go over here to get the link to invite parents to my class. Here I can do the individual invites, but I want all of my parents 100% to be a part of this class. So I'm going to copy the link. It just told me it's copied. I'm going to hop over here to my other tab. I went to a website called qrstuff.com. Just type into Google QR stuff and it will pop up. So this is what it looks like when you go to the top of the page. The default is a website URL, which is ClassDojo, your teacher page, and so on. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to copy and paste that ClassDojo invite. I'm going to leave this saying dynamic. Now that I've copied that website, I can go over here and download the code, but I actually really liked when I saw Miss Only created colored codes. And so ClassDojo is a little bit of like this tealish color. And so I'm going to move that dot. It was over here, so I'm going to move this dot over here. I'm going to choose that color pattern. I'm going to come over here, so that's my QR code. I'm going to download that code. I'm going to say no thanks to that because I don't need any more emails. I'm going to open up my QR code. I'm going to right click and copy. I'm going to go over here to my Meet the Teacher page. And I really found that making my Meet the Teacher page in PowerPoint really helped me make these shapes so I can divide my information. I'm going to Control V to paste that QR code, and I can move it wherever I want. Since I'm saying message me on ClassDojo, I'm going to move it here, and then I'll adjust my other stuff. Okay, that is the end of this training. Let me know if you have any questions.